Hi everyone, it's starting to rain a little bit. We're supposed to be getting torrential downpours, thunderstorms, possible hail. I don't know if you can, there's like an orange hue to the, I don't think it's picking up on the camera, but everything looks orange. It's really kind of cool. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick little peek of this. Barney's afraid of the rain, so he won't even come outside to go potty right now. So I guess I got a cuddle buddy for tonight anyway, right? Bill's at work right now, so I got my little dog. Alright, see you later.